Hi everyone. So today we will tell you how you can share photos and videos in their original quality with your friends and family on WhatsApp. So stay tuned to the video. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. In today's day and age, don't we all love sharing photos and videos of our food, travel experiences, and more with our close ones on WhatsApp? Did you know that you can do this without compromising on the quality of the media that's being shared? If you haven't yet explored this option, we will tell you how to do it. The procedure is quite simple. Here's how you can do it. Update your WhatsApp app to its latest version from Apple App Store for iPhone or Google Play Store for Android. Open the chat window in WhatsApp. Tap on the attachment icon given on the bottom in case of Android or the plus icon given on the bottom left in case of iPhone. Choose the document option and then click on the select original quality photos or videos option. Choose the photo or video you want to share and click send. Isn't it so simple? One thing to remember is that WhatsApp does not allow users to share files that are more than 2 GB in size. Also, sharing original quality photos can lead to consumption of more data. We at Gadgets 360 have also explained other useful features introduced by WhatsApp in our previous videos, including editing messages after sending them, messaging unsafe contacts, and more. Do check them out if you need more clarity and understanding on any of those. So that's all we have in today's video. Hope it was helpful for you. Do let us know your thoughts about this feature in the comments below. And stay tuned to Gadgets 360 for all things tech.